Hey, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to talk about how to hook up your skimmer, your return, your sand pipe filter, your sand filter, and your pump. So I'm doing now. You read the instruction on the sand filter, fill it with water. Mine said fill half with water, then pour the sand in. Then put the O-ring in. Yours might be a little bit different. But just read the instructions. This, you can see, one goes to return, one goes to the pump, and one goes to clean it out later. Right, so we've already got that. Now we'll swing around and hook these connectors all up so you can see them. Right, it says you put the pressure valve in, and then mine came with these all, yeah, they go the way they go. This goes in here, this goes in here. I'm going to say that goes in there. I'm putting Teflon tape on all my connectors. I'm going to go ahead and put all these connectors in. Okay, put all these in. And in the pump, put in these ones. Adapter. Make sure you put the O-ring in there. You want to put these on the pump because you want to be able to take your pump off for the winter. So put these ones on your pump. But remember to put that O-ring on there. It's right in here. Okay, put those. Alright, let's start over. So it comes out of the suction cup, goes down. I put a tap in it so that it can turn it off if I need to move it or anything. Then it goes up from the pump in here to the filter, through the sand filter, and then back in. Of course, I didn't get enough hose when I bought it, but I got some of this in town. It's fine. I'll fire it up in a minute. Alright, if you like what you're watching, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any comments that would help others, just please leave them. Thanks.